you ever find your mind wandering to thoughts about food, sometimes even when you are not physically hungry? It is a common experience for many, and understanding these thoughts can be a powerful step towards a more peaceful relationship with eating. To observe thoughts about food, you can practice mindfulness, which means paying attention to your thoughts and feelings about food without judgment. This involves noticing when and how food-related thoughts arise, what they feel like, and what triggers them, all without trying to change or control them in the moment. The core mechanism behind this approach is metacognition, or thinking about your thinking. By consciously stepping back from your immediate thoughts and feelings about food, you create a space for observation rather than immediate reaction. This allows you to gain perspective and understand the patterns of your mind's engagement with food. Begin by setting aside a few moments each day to specifically tune into your internal world related to food. You might keep a small journal or simply take mental notes. When a thought about food pops up, notice it. Ask yourself, what exactly is this thought? Is it about craving a specific item, planning a meal, or perhaps a judgment about food you have already eaten? Simply acknowledge the thought, labeling it mentally as just a thought, like a cloud passing in the sky. Another practical step is to identify your anchors. An anchor is a consistent point of reference, such as your breath, which helps ground you in the present moment when food thoughts become overwhelming. If you find yourself caught in a loop of food-related thinking, gently redirect your attention to the sensation of your breath for a few moments, and then return to observing your thoughts. This technique is often referred to as a grounding exercise. You can also use what is known as the body scan technique. Sit or lie down comfortably and bring your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. Sometimes, what we perceive as a food thought might actually be a physical sensation, like a growl from your stomach, or an emotional feeling that gets misinterpreted as hunger. This practice of observing your thoughts about food, rather than being swept away by them, helps you to distinguish between physical hunger and other impulses. It fosters a sense of inner calm and empowers you to make choices around food that are more aligned with your overall well-being, promoting a healthier and more conscious connection to your eating experiences.